Good morning, everybody. I'm Rachel, the NP here at Lifestyle Rejuvenation Medical Group. So today we're going to do a special little segment. So as you all know, we've brought in some of the vampire procedures here to the office in order to help some of our patients with different ailments that they're dealing with. One of the common ones that we hear a lot is, especially for women who are active, they do a lot of impact, is that they have some urinary leakage or urinary incontinence. There's a couple different classifications. One is stress urinary incontinence, one is urinary frequency. So we brought in specifically something called the O shot for that, or the orchid shot. The purpose of the orchid shot and how it works in treating incontinence or urinary leakage is that it actually helps to regenerate some of that tissue that surrounds the urethra. So that way, when you move or you cough or you sneeze, ladies don't leak urine when they put that extra pressure down. So we were lucky enough to have one of our patients who we performed the procedure on sit with us and be able to give us her firsthand experience about the procedure, what made her come in for it, and how she's improved since the procedure's been done. All right, so just out of confidentiality, and because this is kind of like a taboo topic that people don't like to talk about, we're going to keep her out of the video, but you'll be able to hear her voice and in real time hear what she has to say about the procedure. So good morning.
Good morning.
We won't say your name, but thank you for being willing to talk to us about it. So what were you experiencing and what made you seek out this procedure?
I was experiencing some very regular incontinence after doing a kidney cleanse. I believe the doctor explained that the kidney cleanse worked too well, and I was having to almost daily incontinence.
Okay, and how did this affect your daily life?
I was wearing panty liners daily. I was having leakage during exercise, just general movement throughout life.
So, just not ideal. Like, nobody wants to walk around wearing a panty liner every day. We don't have to. So that was the great thing that we were able to offer our patient here. And so she actually had the O-shot procedure done here in the office. How did the procedure feel for you?
Well, it was painful, but very effective.
Okay, and
it
how?
Worked within like a day.
So she is one of the abnormal ones. We always tell people, give us 3 weeks before you decide if you love it or hate it. She had results in a day. She was able to get back to normal activity. Have you had to continue wearing liners in your underpants? Not wearing liners anymore. So she is we've set back the hands of time. We've given her that youthfulness back, where she doesn't have to wear a panty liner. She can go about her business. She can do her exercises without having to worry about that leakage. All right, so the final question is, would you recommend this procedure to anyone that's suffering from incontinence?
I would, yes.
All right, so you've got it firsthand from somebody who's had the procedure done. Highly recommended and highly effective. So if you are suffering from any incontinence, any leakage at all, come and see us here at Lifestyle Rejuvenation so we can help you out too.